it's Jen Vax with YourColorStyle.com. The third step of learning your most flattering colors in your color style is to determine your chroma, whether you are bright or soft. The first step is your depth, whether you are light, medium, or deep. Then step 2 is your undertones, warm or cool. And now we're looking at step 3. So, can you tell by looking at this person in the DIY color analysis color wheels if she is bright or soft? Keep in mind that if she looks good to you in both, then she is likely bright. If you want to see your photos in the Your Color Style color wheels, check out my course, DIY Online Color Analysis, at YourColorStyle.com/DIY. That's YourColorStyle.com/DIY.